A factory-correct head turner that's been restored as needed. This top-notch 1974 Trans Am is one of only 943 Super Duties produced for the model year. And if you're a Firebird enthusiast who's searching for an exclusive second gen that you can literally purchase and drive straight to the show, you found it. A clean F-body that's continuously turned heads for close to 45 years. This first-class Firebird is a literal culmination of detailed maintenance and acute restoration. The car's bodywork is solid throughout, with smooth, flat panels that are complemented by better-than-factory alignment. Naturally, those panels wear a correct coat of Admiralty Blue 2-stage, which has been decorated with appropriately awesome Trans Am callouts. And today, with unique visual sizzle that's as classy as it is aggressive, this top-notch Super Duty is a highly desirable example of a major milestone in Pontiac history. When it comes to interior decor, Pontiac's 70s team was firing on all 8 cylinders. Correct buckets are clean and crisp, easily defying the car's age. A molded console plants a small shifter behind correct Delco AM/FM audio. A warp-free dash frames detailed gauges and factory air conditioning in a bright engine-turned instrument panel. And a tilting steering column spins a black Formula wheel. Lift the hood to find a largely hand-built SD455 that sports a matching partial VIN. Behind that mill is the car's original turbo-hydromatic 400 that spins a posi-traction rear with 308 gears. If you're looking for a premium Detroit muscle car that mixes original numbers-matching performance with striking factory-correct aesthetics, congratulations, it's your lucky day. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.